what is happening today reminds me of an incident which involved Sir Winston Churchill, who was the wartime Prime Minister for Great Britain. And when he was in the House of Commons, his nemesis was the leader of the Labour Party, a man called Clement Attlee. And one day, Winston Churchill was walking down the narrow corridors of the House of Commons, and he came upon his nemesis, Clement Attlee. And the pathways were too narrow for two to pass. So one had to give way to the other. And Clement Attlee looked up to Winston and said, "Winston, I never give way to scoundrels." So he stood in the middle of the pathway. And Winston, on the other hand, just stepped aside and said, "Clement, on the other hand, I always do." So, Your Excellency, I want to confirm to you today that giving way does not make you a scoundrel. Giving way does not make you an undecided person. Giving way does not even make you a watermelon. Giving way, in fact, gives way to you becoming a great man tomorrow. And so may God bless you, and I have promised that you and I will walk this journey with our colleagues in Oka, and I shall stand with you, and I support the decision that you have taken today.